70 75 ani be wachin email analo gachi do so wachin consistent be ashumela okay email analo most consistent be jono wala consistent be jono dele improvement marked improvement over the years which maths analo 70 75 77 82 85 email maths me tukala maths ki mata ba denga musla maths me la tukala maths ki di 70 dele consistent be improvement jono wala ana dubala consistent and marked improvement se labbe improvement jono wala improvement jodire me zonkhana be wachin 80 jono dele 81 dele down jono dele improve jono mola ani dita mama honi me second ginal first na dikach me mathematics me to bola consistent be improve asno dia significant better jono to bola marked improvement to bola ani the mathematics me ko mate to bola deji nga ugen se me git pau tutorra last the next na you get the list change in performance over the years is the labbe ob gachina do so list change mola list change in performance over the years is observing syllabus subject genu list change thing aji tawchira de jira shi chimo la aji history science na tagila science ki mata list change mola list change dumela list change in performance over the years is observed in syllabus dumela list change so science na 80 do 81 do 82 do 84 do 85 so list change the zonkhana imela zonkhana ga chibi sojin 80 do 81 80 80 82 mola list change the another difference nga chita da 82 minus 80 chabdulu 2 do zan wedulu list change the zonkhana ime to gola list change the zonkhana do seshoni to gola okay the next the gachina junimo sojin achigi the subject in which performance has been consistently declining silabe declining the gachina decline bedoga anchita go to kalanga che gachina decline jodoga anita go so ngachi history na mola history na be 70 80 76 declining mindula the zonkhana be wachin 80 81 80 80 dero anlo declining the mindu yata jode geography na sachita gila 87 85 81 ani do la geography na di decline bedro jome ani bedro answer di the geography image shuni to bola geography image shuni anim chime daridi anigira bedamela data interpretation gitu bola ana sorry mela analysis mistake asnu dachi okay la anim chimela karagi khimola na bogi screenshot take berutupla screenshot take berutu sujudola yeah the next na juni the next na bocha gachi do sachin ani bedumela ani bedu to gala question de ani bedu use the following table to answer question 29 Sidhu Tukala. So marks mathematics test scores of class 6 girls and boys syllabus girls ki anadu boys ki maulu du Tukala. The question ki gachi ask famous wachin based on test scores the mean scores for class 6 girls and boys are syllabus mean score chego bela mean score Tukala mean score simidi karai khen mola mean score simidi gachi bego ngachi ki add bego Tukala ani ga add bego divided by total number of the girls ki ani score kadimchi girls ki na ani ki divide chabu to bola nalu be wachi kamchi do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 girls to bola 15 girls and 15 boys me so number of girls and number of boys they tend to do so 15 mola 15 divided by the total marks chabu to bola total marks chab na garagi 45 plus 53 plus 54 55 56 66 67 67 69 73 76 78 82 89 90 gara add bena to bola add bena asu judola kadimchi thopne mola add be wachin ani h bena la gara h bena what is the sum la gara h bena calculator wachin gara h bena 45 53 be dalu kamchi to bela ngachi h bena la gara h bena na ani ngai sam matin mela na bogiten na to bola samdi na bogiten na samdi ten na kadim chi thobe gala sam gar gi thak thak zena to kala what is the sum la what is the sum sam chi ten na to kala okay sam chi ten na gar gi thak thak sam chi ten na what is the sum la sam kadim chom mela te gai ne chi ngalu na ro ngai calculator mi na bogina di kar jana to kala okay yeah kuzambo tatu join be na min desulo garalu chemalek su use should to kala the chief first ki part ki any question de yada maya asme achi chite bata ngai clarification chi be na balu and then male comment be me desugi ani be deba correction be de namsme leshmi lani so 1020 is me so 1020 divided by 15 gi girls ki bachin lalchigi 7851 in sime lalchigi 1020 in sime la ani gara add bedalu 7800 di meodons no me ngagi gachi beso janalo gara below 100 gi dumola 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 animchi ondons no ila animchi mola ani bedalu divided by 15 na divided by 15 to bola gadimchi themela divided by 15 boda dele so 1020 divided by 15 ani karchana gadimchi me kamchi themela kamchi theme 68 and 65 okay 68 theme se me bola so often ero mero nalu girls ki di average 68 chira me mola sheme disna ero mendu so ani boda boys ki di 65 theong se ngetik beshi langa che en bendige answer de gachi theong so chin the 68 and 65 respectively video dani time saving chi beni me bola nga che time save besu ni me the 68 khani be bachi then you have to calculate the mean of boys se go mosla otherwise tham transfer 68 chile mindu ani boda option b the correct answer she langa che tu pala min de ani bi se jodor thank you everyone for calculating and then participating thank you la namsame kadi che se jodor tu pala the next thing achina juni mo searching ache use the following figure to answer questions 30 and 31 se tu pala analu gachi jin jano sa searching ache lo pie chart chi jin jano tele khasum be divide be du non fiction classical fiction and contemporary fiction se labbe quantity se labbe quantity ani the quantity me bola ani the school library nalu books kadim chi bina kha genre gachi zum chi yoga ani gar nalu depict bena to bola ani de achi yes ani pup ta no bola analu gachi do sajin reference se do to bola reference book ya do bola reference book de gamchi do sajin 50 do to bola ani de chikha jano kongi chikha lo ime classical fiction the 375 non fiction the 175 and then contemporary fiction de gamchi do sajin 802 se me to bola ta ana joni me what portion of syllabus question de ani do what portion of syllabus mula what portion of total number of books does the classical fiction genre account for syllabus do bola total number of books kadim che yoga ani ta go tambara what portion of total number of books na le classical fiction gi genre digi kadim chi de si phabachin kadim chi oni me go osme ma fraction na be ochi tup kala tani total number of books de kadim chi de ani add be go mu la kara total number of books the 800 plus 375 plus 175 plus anai do la the book di gachi reference book di 50 do to bola reference book di 50 do la ni library na do bola library na to bola anim chi do se jodo to kasla tani the total number of books di kadim chi do la na bo total number of books sina la karagi tani add bena kadim chi thobe na bo 800 plus 375 plus 175 plus 50 add be dal kadim chi thobe la 1400 me gala 1400 me bola ani the total books in to bola total books di 1400 is me la 1000 devada datu focus ti gachin bego sajin fraction na be ngachi zo bola thank you string cats thank you tangaji fraction na be zo ba fraction na be zo ba jin gachi bego sajin da classical fiction di take bego classical fiction di gamchi do sajin 375 to bola so fraction na be jin 375 divided by 1400 ani di na mindu mola nalu mindu mosla ani di nalu mindu calculate be gamchi thobe langa chi 375 divided by 1400 gamchi thobe su juni la gadimchi thobe langa chi na bo decimal na ten to plus decimal na ten be gadimchi thobe la na bo suna la suna to bola thank you mela ngalu gives ko me disu nam sem kadi che ma bo ma koro tupla 0.26 te ji thobe mela 0.26 te anale be chi gachi ngachi lu thobe la gachi gi jimmela 0.26 te ani gi be chi gamchi jimu la chi 0.5 mola ani gi 0.33 ani gamchi thobe la 1 over 1 over 4 gi be chin quarter me ba mola 0.25 na chi ondo mosla ani gamchi thobe la 1 over 0.267 ani 0.267 1 over 5 di gamchi themela 1 over 5 gi di 0.27 inala 0.5 gi di 27 inala analu 267 se me bala 267 in se me la ani be 0.267 so 0.26 0.25 mosla ani 1 by 4 gi di gamchi themela 0.26 inala 1 by 4 gi di ani china ni karchana so 0.27 0.5 gi 0.27 ni na class man la ni dita to b8 gi den loi yeah how to convert 0.6 or any other into fraction la fraction na member ani ngachi di just observe beni la nalu na ngachi tein badal mo la answer ani answer gamchi thein la ma ba karagi ani ge answer gamchi thein la 아니 the 0.2 이면 몰라. So ngachi the answer 0.26 is close to 1 over 4 이면 1 over 4 तो बोला. 아니 fraction की the answer 아니 चीज़ में बोला 0.26 से लग पे में. Then this is close to 1 over 4 इमें ला. So 1 over 5 be 0.2 chamchi में बा, but 0.25 is more precise में, close to this one मुश्ला. So answer ती be 1 over 4 होंगे, 1 over 4 होंगे थे, 1 over 4 मोला, 1 over 4 होंगे बे ऐसे चुनी तो बोला. ना ये calculate जब दा अनिम चाहिए में बोला, ना बुगिल ते जाने में सुन दे 375 over 1400 is 0.267 in a chomelo, and this is close to 1 over 4 की value दे चेगा close to कला. ते 5 की वजह 0.2 chamchi में बा, then we have close to 1 over 4 दूला. We are spending more than a minute on this question la. Yes la. So ani mela question to kala 0.27 with close to 1 by 4 mela 1 by 4 gitu kala. Atsi chani ngachi answer exactly be mamachin we are spending more than 1 minute to kala. If the answer is accurate bajin then we are skipping la, directly skip jodo ngachi to push la. Ane be jodo sujuni. The next question is with reference to the above figure, which of the following statement is not correct? Not correct. Reference books are not important in a library. Reference book the important men. Contemporary fictions has the largest collection in the library. Contemporary fiction email ani largest collection mola ani the true email ani statement ani when they tago mola sachi. The next thing to searching. Next thing to search ani medula. Next thing ani do Zinamela. Next thing there are more books on non-fiction than books for reference. Correct imba di mola ani de. The chinga chigachti ana non-fiction di 175 do, non-fiction di 175, reference di 50 reme, and this statement is also true. Mushla. The collection of the books is skewed towards contemporary fiction. Se do bola. Contemporary fiction is skewed towards contemporary fiction se gale mam di contemporary fictions na ibigology me la skewed towards la bingale to bola ani bodolo 800 na imbala ngachi mam di to contemporary fictions rahi mo la ani bodolo ani true me the true the gadi member se wachin reference books are not important in a library se me di the ani the true member se mo la ani the true member bola library na lo important member ki logi te da dinalu kanya mindo bola just ngachilu category the quantity cham chichinu ani bodolo ani a di mo la a reference books are not important in a library semidi and the true members usually to important members in library na ramidiva mola important email line ide okay la next question na joge the next na beji shara joni me to kala ani bedu use the following figure to answer 32 33 and 34 sime school teachers statistics se do to bola number of teachers the now the jinu the subject the now the jinu to bola zonga english maths the science, history and geography bijino to bola. So subjects by gender male the female bijino. The nalu question in which subject is the gender ratio equal se bola. Gender ratio equal this subject kadina do se subject ani shamchi ta gobe ngachigi zonka mola zonka tani zonka na gender min mola 13 do the female be 2 do. So this is not true. The mathematics na joni mathematics na be male 4 do the female 1 do not true mola. The history na joni so history na jowachin we have 4 and 2 not true. The last the geography na joni geography na bewachin 1 1 do mola 10 do ani bewdalu the answer the geography me to bola geography message ni the total number of teachers in school is how many times the number of mathematics teachers se do to bola total number of teachers se bola is how many times the number of mathematics teachers se do mathematics teachers kamchi yoga ani jini chira bola mathematics teacher di ana me mola 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 mathematics teachers do the total teachers di gadim yoga ani tago ba de most langa chi add bego 13 plus 2 will give you songkha di 15 do to bola 15 the astime English nalu gamchi do sawajin English nalu boom jamchi do 10 do to gala tele maths nalu bewachin 5 do tele science nalu bewachin 7 do tele history nalu bewachin 6 do geography nalu do ba ani gara add beno to gala add beodalu ngachi gamchi thobe sawajin 25 30 tele 38 and 40 45 mosla 45 do bala total teachers the gamchi do sawajin total teachers the 45 do gala 45 do so maths ki teacher gamchi me sawajin 5 me to gala 5 Imosla 45 mola total teachers 45 maths kiti 5 do. So the total number of teachers in school is how many times the number of mathematics teachers se bola. So 5 times gachi ki 45 june 5 times gachi 45 june. So 5 times 9 ki 45 june tu gala. So ani the loop. So 45 divided by 5 chabru tu 45 divided by 5 chabru 9 to bala, or 5 times 9 will give you 45. Therefore the 9 times 2 to bala total number of teachers is teachers more in the school is 9 times the number of mathematics teachers say. Mathematics teacher the 5 ime, so times 9 chabdalu 45 to bala. And when the answer the 9 be the se judo to bala 9 be the se judo answer the grade be wajin datu the be wajin graduates ki den to bala. Now what is the ratio of geography teachers to English teachers se to bala. Geography teacher gamchi do se wajin geography teacher the 2 do to bala 2 do bala geography teacher divided by to English teacher the gamchi do se wajin 10 do to bala 10 do. So ani ratio the be wajin engi the ratio be wajin gamchi de se wajin 1 is 1 over 5 to bala 2 1 is 2 2 5 is 10 lowest fraction na take be bala. So 1 is to 5 ratio be wajin ani gamchi de se judo to bala. So ani be wajin ngachi option C the image shuni to bala option C the image shuni. Ya nabu gari ke mola da to giri ya boom se zona to bala. Yes BCS teachers ya teachers aptitude in la to teachers aptitude ya gar ki ke mola gar ki boom okay boom da ben ngachi next question na juni mela jobra chaung la data interpretation the 1 hour the chinara judo do la ngachi namse do you kindly teach maths kadibena maths the teach pe una funny lizer sai na funny lizer maths the teach pe agi. Okay, which year is the teacher aptitude la? This is 2012 game landi 2012 game landi. Do you only teach maths? Yes la, I teach only maths la. And maths samji shi la shin gane mi shi the maths ya gara geshin ge bidi gachi mi shi la khabar pe bidi gane mi shi achri shi mi dis na ju jadu to gala ya ji mistake zonga mi shi mistake zo chin na bogi correction nango to pusla ya 32 132 do mo na che da gara ge tap chi na ant kar chan to bola tap chi 15 as no ba 15 m de atra 100 ke into bola ma che tap de m de 100 ni tanga chinalu ani thete gachi beni mo so chin brain break chi be go ba de musla. So gara ge tap chi na de kar chana ya okay 38 as no gara ge da 16 as to bola 16 2 minutes be to bola 29 as no 29 as no 31 cents be to bola tap ya gara tap sai da chi first ki de chi ani ya tama be mi dis ya sisa de chinga chi sab be wadalu mistake asre the de branga choga chap chi se shuni ya tap bena gara gi 18.5 ya se okay 31 cents tap bena to bola 31 kinjang thank you for sharing. Yeah, thank you everybody. Thank you 129 as a class kamchi gi inala teacher aptitude in la B.Ed graduate. So thank you Mr. Rakesh for male answer zaina mindulu. It happens la which year la 2012 email and the class men la teacher aptitude questions in landi 97 okay 21 22 ya 22 ya se ya jodome ngachi tap halme ya se ngachi sachi goro chawma da at college level gi beni yoga ya la college level gi datu de mabela nga college level gi mabe rere ni khongi doubt tim de sunga gi solve be ani be la solve be ngai khonlu pata be ani be ki de bada life be de mabe college level gi okay no paper class kamchi gi inala ani paper de datu teacher aptitude gi la 2012 gi class 10 12 6 ki men la ani di class ngachi school level gi men la ani di to ngachi RCC gi den la RCC gi paper in si shudo to bala ya doctor benat garagi zena to bala doctor ya 26 okay 31 more minute okay good la na bu gi te matu tu pe na de chapchur na de nam sam kari che okay thank you for sharing la butsa thank you nini join lo welcome start boy join welcome la garol welcome itu bala welcome you shudo okay 830 as no please teach us how to count total number of triangles ani total number of triangles ngai generate up the itu bala but before exam ngagi and upload ra peon ya chinablu tani life nara ani beon tu bala life nara shuge tu bala ani concrete be ani formula chitengo besno di la ngagi formula chitem ba tab tin me dem mo chin daro nga cheni diagram ta be da chi confusion theni ne ga tu bola 31 ase namsum kari che next question la jogi tu bola next question be wachin daga chi se wachin ani be tu bola
아니 왜 뒤송금?
예, 박임에 대추바 최다다. Okay, 다 세추기메. The pie chart below depicts the quantity of quantity of fruits a farmer harvested from her orchard se duba. Answer question 35 to 38 based on this information syllabate to gala. Tangachilu nalu fragmented pie chart chijin jano nalu. Mango do, apple do, orange do, banana do, peach do gala. The question is direct jawajin, which fruit did the farmer harvest the least in quantity syllabate quantity list pe gadi harvest pe no semela didinga chi percentage taudara shemola percentage out of 100 imati mosla out of 100 analogam chi do 25 mosla anagam chi do 20 so 25 plus 20 will give you 45 mosla 45 plus 15 will give you 60 more 60 plus 35 will give you 95 so apple ki percentage ti gadim chi message majme bala yalo apple ki percentage ti the 5% more 5% jamchi khogi harvest beuda contribution di 5% jamchi do apple gi hone tu kala ani beuda which fruit did the farmer harvest the least in the quantity savajin tham transara apple ni se dinera in tu kala ani de apple tu kala apple ni mes shuni the next na joge if 50% of the quantity of fruits harvested was 100 kgs to the 50% gi mosla 50% of the fruit harvested gi kamchi depict pe osojin 100 kg depict pe osemeba 100 kg mosla how many kg of apples did she harvest seme to bola so 50 gi di 100 pe wajin 100% de gadimchi mosojin 100% de gamchi me 100% de 200 kg be de omade mosla 200 kg be de da ani be dolo tenga ji apple di 5% is da shi chi be de mosla 5 be wajin gamchong la 5 be wajin so 100 le 200 jo wajin gachi ki multiply chap go 2 ki chap go mosla so 5 le the nagi answer di thop ko waji gachi pe go simply have to multiply by factor mosla scale factor 2 ki multiply chap go so 5 times 2 will give you 10 kg same to kala 10 kgs so and the the how many kg of apples did she harvest wajin 10 kg se anim chi suni chirai to kala ani the percentage ki problem me la 50 be 100 100 be 200 so 5 be 10 o se double jo bola 50 ki 100 100 ki 200 so 5 ki be 10 jo go se please elaborate semeba please so 50% the mostly 50% of the total quantity of fruits harvested was 100 kg 100 kg the 50% it did not be 100% the 50% it 100 kg the 50% it did not be mostly the 100% the gamchi also double on the mola 100 ki double on 100 ki double the gamchi was 200 to kala the ani be the 100 nale 200 ongo bajing achi gachi be simply multiply by 2 mostly chora thebe 5 nale pa kgs the thok go bajin simply multiply by 2 chapni rai 5 times 2 will give you 10 kg to kala anim ji thop se shudo namse me gutu na go gane mindo percentage ki problem chi me to kala anim chi me now if the price of a kilo of apples is twice that of a kilo of oranges se duba now tamela lejimezina the price of a kilo of apples mola 1 kg apple gi price is twice that of kilo of oranges to gala 1 kg of oranges 1 kg of oranges to gala apples and oranges so ani bela me khongi the 1 kilo of apples is twice that of kilo of oranges lo price ti ngagi nalu simple ji besha gi to gala nalu ngagi niltram 5 imagine niltram 5 per kg of oranges imagine nalu gamchi theon sawajin ani the 2 times 5 chab go to kala twice se dubala nalu twice that of kilo of oranges se much price ti ani bedalu 10 be deon to kala phagi the 5 imagine nagi the 10 be deon phagi the 10 imagine nagi the 20 be deon phagi the 50 imagine nagi the 100 be deon to kala da gachi be go sunjin which one will fetch her more money semeba the more money di gadi ki fetch pe on semela gadi ki fetch pe on se to kala apple digi fetch pe orange ki fetch pe se me bola ani be odlu ngachi gachi ta go sojin the quantity gadim chi som mega ani ta go to bola quantity gadim chi som mega ani ta go so 1 kg apple lu be wachin gan chi lola 10 nultram la nultram 10 dele 1 kg oranges lu be wachin 5 nultram me ba nultram 5 me mos ta ngachi gi gachi pe ni mo sojin da ani 100 dollar chap the tukla nga chigi number of kgs thing agi 100 na bechab gi tukla 100 na bechab gi so yaludi 5 mola 5 so ani thing agi 5 kgs pecha gi tukla 5 kg special age dele apple di 5 kg to bola dele ngachi gi oranges di kamchi do sajin 15 la so anything I tham tham 15 kg special age to bola tani bodalu 5 times the kg re lo gamchi mo sajin 10 mosla tani bodalu ngachi gi gadimchi phobe sajin 0 drum kamchi phobe la 0 drum 50 mola 0 drum 50 mosla the 15 bewachin the 15 times kg re lo 5 more oranges bewachin 5 so and the 15 times 5 bewachin gamchi thop langa chi 15 25 5 75 thobe bala 75 0 drum 75 mosla ta ani beodalu ana option na do which one will fetch her more money suduba selling apples ani the medembe tukala selling oranges she will make same amount a member chigi 50 me chigi 75 me tukala le cannot be determined ani the inrame ani beodalu oranges nale the mom fetch pe me se shuni tukala kachibe fetch pe mo se because number of oranges thing ache harvest pe udara mom be me compared to apple tukala an bendigi the nagi gonse achi bomrura te boda jangkha gi be the oranges ki di mom be jo me se shuni tukala ani oranges ki prices di lejum fetch pe me se shuni ani chila garagi khengop te tukala khemo la garagi anim chimela lasso garagi thank you for following me tukala thank you for following 75 shares asnu okay yeah khemo la garagi khemo la ni okay lasso dangache 37 nas mo 30 achi chi brain break de lengo mela brain break malemba chini mitup okay 30 okay 50 is okay mola 50 thank you for sharing everybody yeah tap baby 50 is okay mola 34k yes no let us make 50 la everybody yeah khara rab tange saji rab chi ta ve to kala te nawa zum chi be daru data interpretation be to kala data interpretation be na va ya 25 questions be to kala yeah tap chi zena gari tap chi 144 yes ngachi 144 to views be wajin okay 35.7 yes okay everybody yeah PC P8 Songkha students brain break hello brain break 2 minutes tange to bola ani be watching ngalo yagi tap the full jome ba okay 70 37 yasi 37 37 38 yasi da 38 on good iti chinner eme bola 50 dinga chi iti chinner ke tamela tap di namsam gamji in exam which fx should we use la ga use peru tupla tengi only the advice di nagi ga di convenient feel be nagi comfortable ga feel be familiar ga yu ani di use pena tu kala calculator fx 82 beruda fx 100 beruda ga use peru tup se judo tu kala okay 41 yasi 41 50 zona tu kala 50 zona dele daro ga chi shar joni tu kala shar joni namsame migo shar be joni tu kala ani be du shar be okay 43 yasi sani same bang aje tap the iti chinner same 137 yasi 137 138 okay 138 87 shares do okay thank you for sharing mela share maze me this share zena to bar delani nagi recording this the car youtube na beon to bolanga age tutor st se youtube nalu ane tutor st nalu upload pe jaun la nalu ga de be explain be ane bera ane bera chokara ma choba ane be chora te be jaun la okay thank you la yutsu thank you 47 years okay great job la thank you yutsu great job mela great job yeah 48.4k yasi 48.6 yasi 48.6 yasi good la good welcome mela sab this look arolo jemole so use the mela thank you Ghost for sharing thank you Isme PD for sharing Potato thank you for sharing yeah thank you for the rose yeah thank you everybody thank you la sharing thank you sharing for the rose sharing karije thank you 50 as mola 50 as okay tick team da next na jeni to bola next na jeni share ngachi namsem disme go 51 52 gadim je beso bola ngachi tani di jampang to betan so bola daru ani chi juma do mola talabme what percentage is the quantity of bananas in terms of the quantity of peaches selape to bola so what percentage is the quantity of bananas to bola bananas ngaji ta go bola bananas ki so bananas di kadim chi tu se wachin percentage ne me baba bananas ki di 20% do mola zimela bananas ki di 20% ne mosla Okay, 20% में देले pitch की मोला pitch की सेवा बला चे quantity of pitches दी कतिमची percentage इमेज में अच्छे थम ट्रांसफर पानी अनि दी so 25 दो मोला 25 and 20 तो कला या मौजूद में 25 and 20 so banana की percentage दी harvest की percentage दी कमची में सोचिन banana की दी 20 मोला देले peaches की दी कमची में सोचिन 25% में बला 25% 25 and 20% saji check be mola tamadaro 20 and 25% to bola so ani di what percentage is the quantity of bananas in terms of quantity of peaches la bajin phagi percentage ra baru tup la chi tham transa bani la tanalu numbers so baru tup la 20% di number quantity chi ba be direct ani rangi the 20 ra meba se labru tup la teboda ngachi case na be bajin ani direct bani tup gola 100 be jani bala ngachi ki di ani botulu 20 by 25 mushla times 100 se chapni rain to kala tani badalu 25 4 will give you 100 so gamji thop savachin 80% to kala aji 80% thop the gadibe na the percentage by se to samje ne ome lalu chi tanga gi di percentage di numbers pe sha do to kala percentage ra numbers pe sha do total numbers the total kg di ngaji kachi sha do savachin 100 kg pe sha do to kala tani badalu 80% me times 100 chabachi percentage na thong bala tani badalu 80% me to kala ni namsame na to ko gane mi dula na lodi what percentage is the quantity of bananas in terms of the quantity of peaches level peaches the denominator no the banana the numerator na thong kala anim chirai la kangal gane mi la okay 80 me the next na jo to kala next na jo achin kachi du so achin the graph below shows the population men and women of a village in country wise la pe country wise gi the jangkhaji me la ma men the women gi answer questions 39 to 42 based on the graph sel do to kala graph te anmi ji jano chi di gontri re beto mo la gontri re di gachi not be maso gontri re di this circle gi di gachi not be maso jin women mo so women do not be me dela ani bar gi di gachi be maso je bar gi di men do not be me to kala the question gi me da year de ana ji jano dele jangkha de ana ji jano to kala number of men and women de ana ji jano in which year was the number of men and the number of women equal or closest to each other do to kala equal or closest to each other be do sishuni to kala danga chigi tagola da year be jin ngachi gar ta mengo to kala ana imejam sanni 2000 2001 2002 and 2006 so 2000 na joge 2000 na be wachin men digam chi du so wachin anale anasense be da 2000 mola dele women digam chi du so wachin anale anasense cheka jam chi du bade mosla sani boda 1000 jam chi du so anbendi khoni gi banalu kheva gam chi du so wachin 1000 du to gala ani be read be gomela anale anasense gam chi 2000 mosla 2000 so men di 2000 du mela women di gam chi du so wachin half du bala 2000 da 4000 gi bana so ani di 3000 be de ngode mosla ana de boda anale go chu go ba anale go chu dalu anasense women di gam chi du so 1000 jam chi du ba 1000 jam chi mosla dele 2001 na joni to bola 2001 na jo wachin ngachi lejimbe ta wachin anale anasense 2000 in she mo la chi 2000 dele ana gamchi dula ana sense be wachin 3000 be de ngba de mosla de boda ana di 500 be de ngla nalo so 2500 do bola nalo approximate chi la nale dele anale anasense gamchi de so wachin anale anasense 2000 de boda anale anasense gamchi de ngla anale it will be 1500 mosla 1500 dela ana gamchi deu analu daro 500 deu mola ana dani be dalu gamchi du sojin analu jangkha gadimchi du sojin da bus sojin 2001 na bejin we have 2500 men do dele anale ana sensen be dalu we have 2000 women do to gola 2000 women do so difference the compared to this one analu atsi less to kala 500 chamji to difference the next day 2002 na joni to kala 2002 na jodalu anale anasense 2000 anale anasense 1000 jodalu men di gamchi du soje 3000 do to kala 3000 do dele anale anasense 1000 moshla 1000 dele anale anasense 2000 moshla 2000 be da gamchi du soje 3000 do to kala 3000 do mela na bogara ke memola 3000 do dele 2006 na beoje ana joni mela anale ana sense gamchi do so 2000 dele ana sense daro 2000 no 4000 dele ana 4500 dula men de gamchi do so jin 4500 to bola dele women de gamchi do so jin 1500 ana ro do 2000 4000 6000 6000 mosla 6000 dele analu 1500 bada 7500 plus taro analu the 250 na chidu dani bodalo 7750 na jo anime so they are not equal mosla anale equal mindu ane equal mindu so 2002 nalu di equal do se jone do bola 2002 na di equal do la 3000 do to bola thank you for following my class 8 ki man la ni di teacher aptitude ni la yeah the next na juni next na which statement is true with respect to the population of man lo mela with respect to the population of man in the village se do to bola in the village se dabbe do the number of men is ever increasing se meba number of men di increase bedra jodo se meba de ani email number of men bar gi te umba de mosla bar gi analu ani de chepda ana increase asno ani de chepda increase asno ana chepda increase asno ana increase jonu golada ana increase jonu majoyo mola ana de halam danda be denu la ana danda be so ani bodalu true member la ani de continuous increase pe majoyo bala men gi di because ani graph sum de danda dula ani the true member usually the number of men is decreasing the mindula ta increase ra increase the denda bedeno so this is also not true mosla the number of men has shown steady growth from year 2000 to 2006 se dola 2000 le 2006 se steady se la be halam dasuko sa be mola steady se gale nam se significant mindubala halam de achire jamchi jonu ani bada anale ana increase to anale increase to ana nam sem increase mendo ba achire de do increase mosla the next na joge the number of man has shown little or no gachlo grown since kamchilo 2004 imeba de analo de number of man de gachpendo the 2004 le de little or no grown lo ba de ani graph sum chara den de duba de 2004 2005 2006 ani bawdalu ani statement de true meba because ani dia gachme searching the number of man has shown steady growth segale difference duba no growth eno ba the steady segale less songo de mola difference de bada ani ni bana difference kadim chidu de mam du mola ani ni bana halam du ani ni bana du ba de mosla de analo bese de halam steady be de no mosla halam dasko se bero de no de bada steady be de meme la anale increase be alam dasuko sa be majoya ba de kar dasuko sa be jo chani graph kar dasuko sa be ongo ba de mosla ne be ongo ta ani be da ani true meme ba the number of men has shown little or no grown since 2004 sa ani the correct mela graph kar denda samji do bala ta ani be do option d me se shuni do bala option de gachime d me se shuni ani chime the next na jo chin ani be do la ani be do which statement is true with respect to the population of women in the village lomela the bumgi to bola bumgi the number of women is ever increasing se bola so women gi digachmo ani gontore re tago mola circle na yemi tago so ani circle na yemi tabdalu email lokhonde increase chome anale increase anadu anale increase to anale ana increase to increase ever increasing ani di true email bola ani di true email the societa ge to bola the number of women is decreasing memela na ya to jo de gara increase chome so this is not true the number of women has shown no growth from year 2000 to 2006 growth shora ma belo dia medemela na growth musla ya ta jo de bola growth yu la women ge to kala growth yu se jo to kala the next ge do the number of women has shown little or no growth no grown since 2024 law 2004 law 2004 na grown anzumbera consistent be minduba de mosla kachbeno show beno la na grow beno tani be odalu denga chige answer di kadimchi oni me so wachin the number of women is ever increasing mosla tani the true email bala ani the true email nga chige true email ani increase chodira de no bala increase bedra de no la no ya sensor increase to la tani badalu a the correct image shuni to kala a the correct statement email aji to kala karagi ani kengo shuni laso that gachila meda the percentage of population of men in terms of population of women in 2006 is roughly selapetula so population of men in terms of population of women so hamara man gita gitu bola man gi 2006 na tage techira ti mo ache 2006 kamchi dechi tula 4500 dechi du roughly tengo bela maba 4500 dechi du women gi gamchi dulu women gi di anale da jichap chimo langa che 2000 4000 6000 7500 plus 500 beodalu 7500 plus tik ti mega nabu gi zime 8000 de chome to bola 8000 de chome women gi 8000 de chome so ani beodalu nga che gamchi thobe sa jin 4500 over 8000 mola times 100 and 00 cut pe beodalu 450 divided by 8 thobela kadimchi thobela roughly 450 divided by 8 mashime da correct na mena sachi zina garagi zina kadimchi themela yanji wrong ju jongai mishi lab mishi de mosla calculation na wrong jo me la tete wrong jo me yada ma jo me 56.25 thobe es milani 56.25 to bola 56.25 thobe es me garagi ani beodalu option bewachin roughly 56% MS shuni to bola 56% MS animchi tinablo shui da next na juni to bola next na juni next na lodi ani bedu da shar be juni to bola nga chi shar be juni ya da graph chi ma tin janu line graph me to bola line graph me okay ani bedu graph below shows the growth of users of fixed line mobile and internet services in country Z syllabedu use the line graph to answer questions 43 to 46 se do kala so ani beodalu da ani line graph sum du me nalu coordinate axis chi nalu users de ana du numbers to bala user gi number de ana jinjanu year de ana lu jinjanu to bala da gachilab me se wachin ani be du me nala ani diamond shape nalu ani be megi line graph ki gachi typic be so chi internet be se me bala ani di internet me to gala dele square gi be mi di gachi so chi mobile be se do to gala na ani hingsa sa bi do mela mobile to gala so ani ba na gi di mobile be me to gala typic be me dele ani triangle na be mi di gachi be so je triangle na mola triangle na be mi di gachi be so fixed line se mela fixed line to gala fixed line is me the question get due me achlu which is the service with the fastest growing user base la pe gadi on mela nabu gi khendo ba de mola fastest gadi on me answer fastest growing user base mam gi use be mi gi service de gadi me go smela mobile mo gar kheme mobile ni la ni mobile ta me gadi bi jo me da ane ya ta jo me ba de user increase ra jo me la year ta me nga che over the years gachi pe mo so che mobile la len ta me di na me se me ya sing yas no mosla te ani de be wa cha lam ane plain sam chi be no te ani be cha ma ta decrease cho de ba ta ani be da lu answer de gachi me so chin mobile gi se to gala mobile la len ta me de mi gi jang kha be wa chin na me se me yar sing yas no se to gala ashume la da ani chi asi chi okay ya ta ani be da answer di mobile mola karai khi the next na juni to bola next na juni mela next na jo dalu ta phagidita go ba phagidita be go be so in which year did the number of mobile users overtake the number of fixed line users to bola the year jina ta go be ngachi mobile users ki overtake the year ga dinalu benuga simela ya nabu jina me to bola 2009 mobile gi fixed line mola mobile gi fixed line mela 2009 na imegala 2009 na okay anadu 2009 na ime ana mobile gi fixed line di overtake beno to kala dele tani mela tara so option ta gi to kala 2010 na gadibe mola 2010 na gadibe mola 2010 na di gadi mola mobile de ani mem bola fixed line di ani imadi mola ani di fixed line ana overtake mave gala overtake beno sala beno mola ana overtake di beno mola overtake okay dele 2000 gachina du 2011 na mola 2011 ana overtake beno mola beno ma beno overtake beno mola overtake dele 2008 na bewachin overtake ma be mola so da mi laluji gachino ni me swachin ani be noni nenga duba in which year did the overtake sela be gale that karanal overtake benose ani be men mela tu gala overtake se medi ani year particular year nalu hema da chep dalu te tamede ana sensendi roga ara fixed line gira ani be devno bade ana fixed line gira ana 2008 sensendi fixed line above mobile deno bade mosla 2009-11 te mobile gi overtake benu se ani year nale overtake benu se labni tup kala ani bedulu answer di 2009 nali tup kala te laluji no ani 2010 na overtake 2000 debe men bade mo ngaji overtake se labile particular point nale jamji taw bade ngaji namle benu ga se ani namle benu ga se jin 2009 le benu se tup kala kari ha goi mo la ani 2009 le benu overtake di goi mo la ga argi so answer be jin 2009 में तो बोला overtake the ani year na le beno mela 2009 le beno la looking at the trends se do trends na lutawe which service would you expect to disappear soon se mola disappear the ga jong la looking at the trend ani service sum na le ga di disappear joni me go se me bala ga di disappear joni mela fixed line de disappear jon de mata da lalin thamera min do 2011 na hibe gane 0 na hino de ta ibjigale di map bi joni me mosla ani bodalu answer the fixed line la so fixed line which service has negative growth rate in its user number lo negative growth rate de kadi bi tu negative growth rate user gadi mola negative growth rate de kadi mola daro suna garai suna nanga na crafting emela nabugi ani chi that fixed line fixed line shemigi kadin fixed line mola fixed line ejibe negative growth negative mata jode bade jora mosla mata ime membela negative shemini de achre yata jode ba ani de yatra jode ani de halam yatra joma mola de bada ani de mata me so ani bodulu fixed line mosla fixed line ani me dula jamdong to be answer be chube langa chi data interpretation ge question de to kala anim chi du se juni lama 63 asnu the next question na juni next question na maju hema brain break the language de mola brain break lenna shall we continue or brain break continue se vaji si mela break lo ya break be vajin tap na to kola break be vajin tap na de kar jana 63 asnu so 9 cents break be to kola okay continue okay count se do me si se do mam gira si okay continue lo continue be vajin continue tani na ba ga so mi di to kola ya ana joni to kola ana jo vajin mam gira continue please se do the table below contains marks obtained by a group of students labbedu to kola in their midterm examinations. Use the data in the table to answer question 47 to 50. Anna Dumela, Bibi, thank you for the rose. And the Nachilu question the Gachilam is if 3 base scores are taken for, thank you, Bibi, thank you. Taken for each student to determine the topper. Mola, topper determine Benigdan Lu. 3 base scores take Bewachin. Who scores the highest from the following students labbe the following students nale highest kagi score pe me semela tani be odalu ngachigi alu jidi jam shibditani to bola shibditani pema deki selden and sonam 3 best panila pema gi 3 best kachimela 90 so koi 90 times 3 is 270 most pema gi diki gi digam chito sojin 90 85 90 265 chamchi the mosla kach be sojin chi de 85 me bala the less selden gi bajin best the 90 85 80 me mosla ani bodalu comparatively less me ba the less sonam na juni highest gach me 90 80 and 80 so 3 best score bago bachin first the gagi thopni mo sojin highest score the gagi thopni mo sojin pe magi thopni me to bola mogi the gar 90 and 90 me bala shemegi mindula 90 tukala ani bedalu answer the pema ime sishuni tukala 85 yala 85 kadi 85 inamula da 85 sisu no mela okay sonam giyala ime sonam gi chi de 85 bana simela ime debrura the highest the khogira de mola pe magira de because pe magi 1990 me mosla answer the 100 dugala oh tashi dinga ji zu mengola tashi ke chimsa option na tashi ra mila tashi ye bajime tashi su to bola yes emela so namgi 85 du so ngagi bai the 1990 thomi di pe mai me ba so high score ti pe magi me to bola tashi di ani option na ra minula tashi di option 101 101 se do okay mo nga chi to che to emela na chi lalu chi di na me to che to be ta ni la okay ani de anara sha ni me yeah 67 to bola the next the if 3 best scores are taken for each subject lo mela which of the following subject has the highest students mela has the highest students perform the best lo mela okay la if 3 best scores taken me the subject gita go to bola subject gi so which one of the following subject has the students perform the best se mela so a se mela dup to gel so economics da gita bola economics ki bajin ani betago to bola ta mata tago to bola mata economics ki best kachira dula 90 80 80 so kamchi thope langa che 90 80 80 be odalu kamchi thope langa che 160 plus 90 kamchi thope langa idi meome me da calculation ya copy lo copy se la be du total kamchi themela ani ani 250 mola 250 the economics ki 250 में biology na jogi mola biology na bewachin highest sum bani to bola 85 80 70 total gamji theme langa che gamji theme ani ki 165 potri bedalo maths ki lo me da okay 235 ani 235 में लो दले नेक्स्ट गच में फिजिक्स मोला फिजिक्स की 90 85 ला गमच थे मेला अनि गमच थे में थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग पे माय यंगजों ओके मैथ लो आंसर द मैथ इन द नेरा मत 260 मैथ बेवचिन 100 90 and 90 कैलकुलेट चबरा में हो मोला तब ngai explain the beja do mer beni dite wada 100 280 deji thobe mola emme na lane so highest the best sum bawachin the highest mark the kachina du sawachin maths na do to bola so answer bawachi kachine me maths answer bawachi kachime maths me to bola best sum bawachi mela 3 best subject score the take bawachin then subject best the maths be me alugi ani na performation be no semela how many students have scored at least 60 marks in all subjects lola at least 60 minimum of 60 minimum the 60 marks score be me subject this to go mola how many students have scored at least 60 marks in all subjects lo all subjects na mela thank you lakarsal for sharing thank you tele for sharing yeah data ni to bola student chigi oh minimum 60 analo minimum 50 do so any student the count chapni me imagosla all subject nalu 60 at least 60 thome me minimum ra 60 thome and minimum 50 do ani bodalo we should not count this ma pe ma the count me jo then tashina joni tashina do kala tashina mindu mola tashina the 60 ka 60 above me 60 above tashi so one count chapni to kala one count chen dekina joni dekina bewachin 60 at least 60 to bala 60 the consider be so ani bodalo dekiya count jo mosla dekiya count jo laden na joni laden na jo the 80 65 80 70 60 60 80 so laden na count jo imga at least the 60 be the minimum ra 60 be score be me imba count be ko to bola the le sonam na jo achin 50 do ana count me be sonam count me be pe maya count me be the le selden na jo achin selden na 40 do 40 so selden account maybe so andi badalu number of students who scored at least 60 for meme nala for meme ana duba the less than ta me less than 60 and less than 60 so alusum gidi less than 60 score benaba so andi bada answer the 3 ongo betu bola 3 So subject kara na lo minimum of 60 score pe mide alusum du se tu kala anim chime. Yeah, if all marks are taken into consideration, which one of the following students obtains the minimum average score semela? The marks kara bagove mela, marks kara bagove gara babe average score tengo be tu bola. And the calculator na di karjana tu bola. Pema first pema gi mela. Pema gi add bena lagara. Pema gi marks kara add bena divided by number of subjects tango tu bola. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 subjects ke divide pe gola. Pema gi add bena lagara. Pema gi kamchi tu sojin 90 plus 50 90 60 mola 50 plus 90 plus 60 plus ani calculate the nabugina anime 70 80 90 70 plus 80 plus 90 ani calculation chi na kar jana so pema gi kamchi thopega tu gola pema gi ani chi na kar jana ya garagi diki haha wait diki seme me da diki lo me diki lo diki direct diki ki seme me ro na diki khatra diki seme lalchigiro ta da me ani ki 530 lo 530 mosla 530 divide 530 by kamchi gila 7 gi kamchi thobela ani di pema gi video to kola teacher aptitude la great se dijanu hai la hai sangila mo membership update be now hai madam sangila mo nima garden joined 75.7 mosla the dikina jona dikina be was to 90 plus 60 nima thank you nima garden thank you 90 plus 60 plus car sitting thank you la add bena la daro 90 plus 60 plus देखिए 70 plus 60 70 plus 60 plus 85 70 and 90 85 plus 70 and 90 kamchi thobelani I will thank you la madam sange okay thank you for following everybody ani kamchi themela 90 plus 60 plus 70 plus 65 85 ani add begomela marks kara add begola 525 525 divided by 7 definitely less no divided chap mengo maba min ten thang de ani be si jui average pe bajani be mala navna se nabo average se de question e bajani be chego se maba tham tham zara na the total de ga gi ma be na ani gira min di high be de to gola okay 75 ani 75 mosla 75 the next deal hadun gi ta gi to bola hadun gi 80 65 80 70 80 65 80 70 mosla tele 60 60 80 to bola 60 plus 80 ani gamchi temela ani jitenna daro 80 plus 65 plus 80 plus 70 plus 60 plus 60 plus 80 to bola ya gamchi temela 495 so let's do mola 495 divided by 7 se teni to bola tele good car participate benande the judi sonam gi me to bola sonam gi so 70.71 mosla so sonam gi digam chimela sonam gi di 80 65 85 80 plus 65 plus 85 mola 85 plus 80 plus 50 plus 90 plus 80 anim chimela ani di 70.1 themelo mela na 70.71 ina la ni 70.71 ina 70.1 na chi lo kamchi mela ni 495 divided by 7 di 70.1 ina la kadibi na ngi na di calculator mi mela 530 ani di 530 imelo 530 divided by 7 to gola 530 divided by 7 kamchi thobe ani di 70.71 ime mola ani kamchi themela 530 divided by 7 gidi so highest di ni charo 530 themela ani 530 themela they was answer ni do de la answer ni di omi se me na mola 530 machi gati na chi wrong yas no mola ani di ai da pema gi da ani da marks chora the betheme gala ani ta go bola ngachi 90 plus 50 plus 90 mosla 9 plus 50 plus 90 60 plus 70 plus 80 60 plus 70 80 90 mosla 530 thobe se me bola da chi kai na chi gi ani di gamchi mela ani di 535 ina la ni 535 35 pem den gi 535 in semel andi azina ma eto bola so sonam gi 535 in ala pema gi di 7.71 okay pema gi di 530 imbela ani 530 ala so tagila 77 sonam gi 85 65 mola 85 65 oh 80 65 85 80 tele 50 90 50 90 and 80 mosla 530 melo nichara same de onimeo nichara same de onimeo ani da ani same beoji tele option sos de omade mola same ro themme gola zina maila so we'll discuss minimum average na maximum membe minimum okay good la so tick t me ga ine ji so na de so minimum beoji ga gi me hard on gi so ngaji maximum ta de no bade maximum membe mo la gaji me minimum so minimum di ga gi du hard on gi du la hard on to bol answer beoji gaji me hard on me la maximum beoji me de khoni du me la to bola maximum beoji ni du me la minimum me so minimum beoji hard on gi me la 530 only sir okay nichara 530 to bolo nichara 530 same thobe mola 75.71 so minimum di so hard on gi di amji me gola 495 divided by 7 di anim chi na la 70.71 mosla garizina 495 divided by 7 what is 495 divided by 7 495 divided by 7 kamchi mela imbela okay 70.71 imelo so hard on me to bola minimum me mela maximum ta dinu ngache ra 530 ngache ra ni chara 530 themela okay me ani maximum me ba so an answer da ni la minimum me ba minimum average score se maximum se lab me ngachilu minimum se me to kala taoge se thank you for sharing to kala yeah 74.3 asnu da gara ki 100 k zona to kala what questions la se do me la thank you Tenzin for following yeah tap zena me to kala da gara ki tap zena gara thak ta ni to bola 100 k zona to kala gara ki 100 k zona se shudo me la so 9 gamche asnu the 913 as no 100 k zona se shudo to kala tele now